Welcome back to my channel. Thank you. God, I don't like knowing that you're listening. I don't know what to say.
I have my headphones on.
Okay, good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on another field trip. We're going to Sun Cafe, my favorite restaurant. It's here in LA. It is all vegan, it is all organic, and there are some amazing raw options that I'm going to enjoy today. I hope you like what I order, and I hope you don't mind watching me stuff my face. Let me know in the comments if you've been there before, what you order, what's your favorite thing, and I will see you guys on the way there. So, without further ado, let's go. And we're off. We're off to Sun Cafe. And we've been to Sun Cafe a bajillion times, like I said. So we know what we're gonna get. I'm gonna get the raw burger with the side kale salad. He's gonna get the nachos. Please don't hit that guy. Hey, sunroof. Hey. They do have a seasonal menu, which is cool. So if you want to try something new, you can do that. Whoa, this guy. Oh God, I hate driving or even being a passenger for that matter. Whoa. Motion sickness. If you guys have any, look at these people. As I was saying, if you guys have any suggestions for vegan places that have raw options or a fully raw vegan restaurant in LA, let me know and I will take you with me, with us. And of course, we're gonna order dessert, almond butter cheesecake and key lime pie to go. It's gonna be so good. Do you want to get a cupcake too? No cupcake? I'm the cupcake. All right, Speedy. You want to make it in one piece so we can enjoy our
Shoes are amazing.
Oh, thank you, Amazon. $40. And they come in. Do you want the boots or the? Yeah.
My shirt's kind of tall.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Do you want to be on? That was so good. And it's all gone. And now it's time for dessert. What are we gonna get? Oh, my nails are like so filthy because I like took apart the burger. But that was because I took apart the burger. It's not dirt. So bad. We normally get the almond butter cheesecake and the key lime pie, but this one over here wants to get the mud pie. You gotta get the almond butter cheesecake though. Like, we've just had it 10 million times, and we still love it, and it's the best. But in the interest of trying something new, but get the key lime pie too. Get everything. It's all good.
Okay, we're gonna get all these to go. It's the almond butter cheesecake, the mud pie, and the key lime pie.
Sounds good?
Thanks. So good, and I'm about to get hit by a car, all for you guys, and I hope you liked it. And we're going home. We're gonna have our dessert. I'll show you the dessert when we get back. And here is the dessert, and my hair is a mess. Woo. So it turns out the mud pie is not raw, but we ordered it anyway because he's not raw. But I might just take a bite. Just a bite, one freaking bite. Okay, assuming. I'm so tired. Why do I talk like that when I'm tired? Oh, fuck! Make me laugh. Remember when it was flooded after my colonic? That wasn't the only thing that was flooded. Streets was flooded. Other things were. I can do other accents, like when we were watching Ozark. What was her name? Ruth? No, was it Ruth? Was it Ruth? I forgot. Obviously, I don't know. I liked Ozark. I don't know when it's coming back. Pa. And Black Mirror. I really like that show. The anthology shows. I like that a lot. Stop it! I am oily. I am tired. I am... Keep making me laugh, giving me wrinkles. Alright, so I fucked up. I dropped it. But anywho, that's the mud pie. It's not raw. But I might just have a bite. Just a bite. It's just one bite. Like, one bite a year. I'm not raw now? Okay, whatever. And then this is raw. This is the almond butter cheesecake. This is my favorite thing. Okay, I'll stop. It's bomb. You need to have it. Even if you're not raw, have it. And then, this one kind of fell apart too, but oh my god. This is so good. Ooh, there's like a layer of, wow. But this is the key lime pie with coconut cream. It is so good. And it's got a wonderful crust. And we're gonna put these in the fridge and eat them later. So we are back. I hope you guys had fun. I can't wait to do this again. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and all of your positivity. I really do appreciate it. And I'm so proud of you guys for working so hard to take care of yourself. I know it's not always easy, but you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And let me know if you like these kinds of videos, if you want to venture out of the house with me. And maybe I'll go to another restaurant. Let me know which one in LA you recommend that has raw vegan options, and I'll take you along. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.